your favorite guru lied to you. They told you to go set up your business, do all this BS, get a virtual business address. But what they failed to tell you is those virtual business addresses that are a dime a dozen, $99 a month, sound great, but guess what? They're flagged. They're flagged as spam. They're worn out. They're burnt. They're crisp. They're done. Stomping into the ground. Too many people ran the play. Nowadays, in 2026, you are better off just using your home address if you don't, in fact, have a real office that you are leasing. I know it sounds complicated, but one of my clients just got $75,000 from a bank using their home address. So yes, it works. And what doesn't work anymore is using those burnt out, played out business addresses, especially the ones that don't even have offices for rent. Now, if you're using a virtual business location that actually has individual offices that one can rent out, then you're fine and dandy. But if you are just using a virtual business location or address and it doesn't even have offices to rent out, but yet there's 400 businesses at that one location, come on, give me a break. You think the banks are buying it? The banks are slick. When you go to open up a business bank account with that address, they're kindly going to tell you, hey, unfortunately, we can't use this address, so let's just use your home address. They don't ever explain to you why, and then again, you don't really question it because it's the bank, right? Sure, we can use my home address. Has that ever happened to you? Well, here's the telltale sign if your address is burnt, is if you go and open up a business bank account and they tell you that you have to use your home address instead. I'll be the first of many to tell you that was a play at one time, but after all that PPP stuff happened and all the bank fraud and all that good stuff, it's no longer a thing. But what is a thing is real business funding. So if you want to invest in a office space, do that. Or you can just use your home address. If you're worried about masking your home address to the public, that's perfectly fine. You can use your registered agent's address with the Secretary of State and listings online. But when it comes to banking and credit applications, if you don't actually rent an office, have a brick and mortar location, it's better off just using your home address. And I know you might think, well, my favorite guru told me no, that I won't get funding that way. If you are a small business in today's world, 2026, there are more online businesses than any other business starting. In fact, commercial real estate is in the dumps. A lot of places have figured out how to work remotely ever since that whole COVID thing happened. So yes, at one point that was a thing, but now that businesses have realized how to work remotely and skip out on the commercial rent, please, you think they're not trying to save some money? Get out of town. But you can still get funding using your home address. Yes, you'll need personal credit. Yes, you'll still need business credit, but I just had a client who was able to get $75,000 funding from a bank using his home address. I've tried it myself. I got a Chase credit card using my home address. It's very easy, guys. Really, personal credit is the foundation. But if you are looking for funding, not sure which direction to go, book a call with me, join the credit community, and I will get you on the right path. Because one thing about me, of course, there's no fluff. It's all tough stuff that's real, spiel, yes indeed. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My TikTok was recently banned. I don't know why. Well, I do. My VA was logging in from a different IP address. So now here I am, Instagram and YouTube, mainly YouTube, but join the credit community because I give out information like this and so much more so you can stay updated and on top of the latest and greatest because things are always changing with credit. It's ever evolving. Banks are always trying to stay one step ahead of us. But if you have good credit, you don't ever have to worry about that. Make your next move your best move, guys. And if you are in the California or Nevada area, I have got a special bank that does no doc funding. You just have to have good personal credit, 700 or above, 680 or above. We'll get you to 700, don't worry. Have a decent, experienced business credit profile. We also have business credit trade lines that we can add you to boost you up there before you apply, and I can help you get funding ready. I don't charge a percentage. You're just paying for coaching, consulting, and you can book a call. Comment the word call call below and I'll send you the link, or you can go to one of my links wherever it is on this page and book a call with me. I'll see you next time.